Hi, I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer here at Sallie Tomato. It's day 12 of the Sallie Tomato Co box. It's hard to believe there's only 2 days left. Let's dive in and check out day 12. Day 12. Here's a little something to give your next project a touch of class and sophistication. Use it for the last item for a finished look. These grommet strap connectors are a standout addition to finishing your bag. And if you didn't already know, these were designed exclusively by Jess for Sallie Tomato. These two 3/4 inch grommet strap connectors and magnets are incredibly easy to add to your bag making projects. And I'm sure you won't be surprised that we have just the project coming up. This purse hardware works beautifully on purses made from quilt weight cotton, cork fabric, vinyl, leather, or canvas. As always, make sure to properly interface and stabilize your bag before installing your hardware. You can learn more about installing the grommet strap connectors and magnets on our YouTube channel. We have tutorials for both. You can find the links in the description below. We hope you love today's hardware and make sure to keep it close by. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtag SallieTomato and hashtag SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like or a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos or any of our educational tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make with your galactic glamour supplies.